Welcome to this presentation of Revolutionary Technologies prepared by One Rock Solid Management. In the next few minutes, your journey into the world of High Cotton Holdings and their patented cutting-edge technologies will introduce you to incredible processes of renewing and restoring our precious environment. Join us as we reinvent the recycling industry today. Our mission is to clean up and respect the earth, restore a more habitable environment, create quality jobs and benefit families while leaving a legacy for others to follow. The magic that sets us apart includes the following. High Cotton Holdings provide environmentally responsible solutions. All of the proven technologies come with a third-party validation. We don't send any waste byproducts to the landfills. The systems are closed loop, which exceeds EPA standards and do not require any regulation. Our solutions have the ability to process single as well as multiple forms of feedstock. High Cotton Holdings offer multiple compatible technologies for managing waste streams and fabricating commodities. These technologies create over 1,000 quality jobs in the green industry. And High Cotton's dedication to research excellence, proven technology, and superior service strengthens the economy while improving the environment. Disposing waste into landfills create immediate concerns. There are thousands of landfill sites where many have been abandoned and many more are still in active use. All landfill sites are both expensive and extremely inefficient. They are also potentially dangerous because they can contaminate the soil and pollute the water. There is even a risk of landfill fires and hazardous explosions. Documented asphyxiation and chemical exposure has also been reported as well. Not to mention, foul odors is among the many health hazards reported by the government. Landfills are a short-term solution that create long-term problems. Take a look at the staggering amount of landfills throughout the nation. There are thousands of active and inactive landfills continuously posing hazards. These problems are needing both cost-effective and efficient solutions. The nation's Superfund hazardous material sites can be mitigated with a combination of High Cotton Holdings technologies as well. How to dispose of waste is a continuing puzzle which has proven to be unsolvable. Waste is categorized into these different areas: medical waste, used tires, human and animal waste that is called wastewater and sludge, green waste, solid municipal waste, commercial and industrial waste, and hazardous material waste. Current standard practices offer some relief, but these so-called solutions still seem to eventually fail. Unfortunately, the current solutions only contain or mask the problems. None of them solve the puzzle. High Cotton Holdings offer actual solutions to solving this puzzle by providing technologies that cost-effectively convert waste into valuable commodities. The primary piece in solving the puzzle is powder impression molding, otherwise known as PIM. The first stage begins when the unsorted waste arrives at the plant. It is then ground up and sterilized. Next, we create fiber-filled resins that serve as the base of our feedstock. Then, this feedstock is processed into open-face molds in the PIM machinery. With differently designed molds, our finished product in the final stage becomes individual construction components that are able to build complete PIM homes, including wall systems, flooring, decking, pipe replacement, siding, and etc. These and many more are revolutionary and cost-effective high-quality products, all built from waste processed through the PIM machine technology. The possibilities are truly endless. Our systems are completely closed-loop with no concerns for emissions. Some hazardous problems are extremely difficult to resolve. We are responsibly mitigating hazardous waste. In these cases, we combine two technologies to provide solutions. These two puzzle pieces are PIM along with pyrolysis. We first classify hazardous materials as contaminated soil, chemical waste, heavy metal, and radioactive waste. These contaminants pose threatening concerns in the remediation process. Our PIM and pyrolysis machines work together and provide an effective solution. Let's look at processing contaminated soil. The soil is fed into the pyrolysis system and produces syngas that is then converted into electricity. The byproduct is clean, inert soil. Toxic substances that contain higher levels of radiation can be encapsulated through the PIM process and stored safely for thousands of years without environmental contamination until a quality use is found. Less hazardous medical waste can simply be converted into green energy by our Syntech technology. Medical waste, excluding body parts, is fed into the Syntech proprietary sterilization process, creating syngas and electricity without any hazardous emissions. The gasification puzzle piece solves the bulk of the world's garbage problem by converting multiple feedstocks of waste into valuable fuels and other useful products such as gasoline, diesel, kerosene, heating oil, lubricants, and solvents. Amazingly, all of this with no concerns for emissions. Unlike garbage and hazardous materials, there is one major problem that we cannot avoid. That is human and animal waste. The puzzle piece that we provide to resolve this issue is our sludge remediation systems. Sewage influent can now be effectively and inexpensively dewatered, and then the solid waste is converted into electrical energy while producing thousands of gallons of pure distilled water. For every ton of dewatered sludge processed, we generate 1 megawatt of electricity, all with a sustainable closed-loop system. All of High Cotton Holdings' technologies allow us to mitigate the danger of the active and inactive landfills. This empowers us to exceed EPA regulations, repurpose waste into usable products, eliminate depositories, and convert them into collecting, sorting, and processing stations. And most importantly, prevent landfills from becoming hazardous and fearful time bombs. For the first time in history, we can close the loop on all waste remediation problems with technologies that provide real solutions. This problem, that has been an unsolvable puzzle, is finally solved by a sustainable closed-loop system. High Cotton Holdings provide proven remediation systems. They are proprietary technologies that are cost-effective to operate. And what more could you ask for than green technologies that are third-party verified and that actually exceed EPA standards and regulations? With High Cotton Holdings technologies and partner companies, we are turning liabilities into assets. Thank you for joining us on our journey in reinventing recycling today and renewing our tomorrow. Please contact us for further information. We look forward to serving you.